With a range of first aid kits, equipment and accessories, SafeLinks provides market-leading first aid solutions. With brands such as Cardiac Science, Philips, Zoll, Physiocontrol, St John and Decamed behind us, we offer the highest quality products. First aid kits are available in a variety of sizes and arrive fully stocked and ready for use. Our catering kits, burns kits, eye wash care and biohazard kits also come in various sizes, suitable for small and large applications. As well as catering for traditional first aid requirements, SafeLinks supplies AEDs and linked accessories including replacement pads and batteries, responder kits, trainer units and much more. Here at SafeLinks we offer a range of replacement components and spares. Our efficient stock monitoring system means that our products always come with their full lifespan. So, for all your first aid and defibrillator requirements, come to SafeLinks.